in Cavite.
And the race is on. Majestic Win from the outside, running by the Time Deposit. And racing third, Italia. Royal King is racing in for rising up Holy King. And on the further outside, Unleash While Please Don't Stop is the early trailer, Time Deposit. Majestic Queen running by the Italia, and Unleash is racing in port by some 3 lengths, rising up by the Royal King. Please Don't Stop and Holy King is now running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Majestic Queen, Italia, Time Deposit, Royal King getting closer together by Please Don't Stop. Unleash also there, and Holy King still running at the back of the pack. Inside the last 500, Majestic Queen, and on the outside, Please Don't Stop, Royal King rushing up by the Time Deposit, Unleash, Italia, and Holy King still running at the tail of the field. Majestic Queen from the outside, Royal King down on the inside, entering the last 250, Majestic Queen, Royal King is running down on the inside, Royal King by the Majestic Queen is on the outside. It's the Royal King and Majestic Queen, and nearing the finish line, it's a back-to-back win from E.M. Raquel on Royal King. Majestic Queen, Please Don't Stop, Italia, Time Deposit.
Pick 6 natin, natira po dyan.